When you see a cornea filled with fluid, you desire to clear it and making the eye reach its best visual potential. And that would be equal to a perfect cover drive. A cover drive that's possible with excellent reflexes achieved through intense net practice. Same applies on DMEC, which is a different surgery altogether compared to DSEC. The rules of DSEC doesn't apply here, just like communication on land and underwater are different. No matter how great surgeon you are, you'll have to go through the learning curves of DMEC. Pilots have simulation models to practice. For phacoemulsification, we have practice eyes. Can we have something for DMEC as well? For practicing DMEC, we need to learn dealing with Descemet membrane outside and inside anterior chamber. First is host Descemet membrane separation or peeling. A perfect, quick peel and hassle-free stamping is what we desire in this particular step. And you may practice it on onion. Yes, the innermost layer of onion resembles human Descemet membrane to a large extent. All steps like initial partial trephination, trypan blue staining, creation of 360-degree ledge and then peeling can be practiced on this membrane. The onion membrane takes up junction violet dye quite similar to DM and stamping can be easily practiced. The roll thus formed resembles that of a young human Descemet membrane, which is a tight roll. Second step will be to orient yourself with the orientation of Descemet membrane in the injector. During DMEC, we aspirate the graft with bevel of injector up and DM rolling down, and injection is performed with bevel down and roll up. The V sign with empty side up signifies correct orientation and DM opens with endothelial side down. Simulation used here is a magnified glass injector and a plastic circle mimicking Descemet membrane. When we aspirate, bevel of injector is up and a roll of Descemet membrane is down. And when we inject, bevel is down and roll is up. As Descemet membrane curls towards the stromal side, when Descemet membrane goes in AC, it will open with stromal side up and P mark clearly seen. To orient yourself further, you can try the other way round. If the empty side of DM is down, while injecting, Descemet membrane will open with endothelial side up. After this orientation story comes dealing with Descemet membrane in anterior chamber. For our understanding, the taps and strokes used to uncurl the Descemet membrane can be divided into three concepts: waves, ripples, and pin down. Waves are created using two cannulae with alternate firm pressure, creating thick waves inside the anterior chamber and hence shifting the graft. Simulation here can be called a DMEC aquarium, where a plastic balloon filled with water hosts the plastic replica of Descemet membrane. Here is how the waves are created to shift the graft on the desired side. Ripples are minuscule waves created at one point only and the graft shifting can be achieved. Pin down concept is extensively used to unfold the DM roll, when one cannula is used to stabilize the open part of Descemet membrane and second cannula creates small ripples to unfold it. While practicing on this simulation model, the reflexes needed for all these movements in DMEC can be achieved. Once you have got a hang of these steps, same can be practiced on already described human donor cornea wet lab models, where a latex material is used as a lens iris diaphragm and an artificial anterior chamber is created. You can practice all the gymnastics of DM before touching your first case. So if you have enough net practice, your DMEC case will look like a perfect cover drive, and mastering this surgery won't be challenging. Thank you so much and have a great DMEC.